Gorgeous, gorgeous girls have the sun come out for their birthday. For their 21st birthday to be precise. Hey babes, how you doing today babes? Guys, look, the Christmas tree is finally down. And guess who's also down? La Familia Di Cleggio. My family are coming down today to London because it's my birthday tomorrow. Saturday, the 5th of February, I am turning 21. I am so excited. Honestly, having this birthday and something to really look forward to and be excited about has done my brain a world of good. So yes, I've got my actual birthday tomorrow on the 5th, and then my birthday party is going to be a little bit later on next week. Today we just have to focus on birthday celebrations, so I'm going into Central now to go meet my wonderful mother. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping because, bless them, my mum and dad want me to pick out a piece of jewellery or something for my 21st, something sentimental that I can keep forever. I genuinely, I know I say it every single time, everyone always says it, could not be more less, meant to say fussed less. Oh god, no one needed to see that. Fussed about gifts at the moment, but I think it's important to them that I have something, you know. My sister got something, like they want me to have. I don't have to be disclaiming why my mum and dad want to get me a present, but yeah, we're gonna have a really fun day. I'm super excited. We're going out for dinner tonight, and then I'm gonna be doing some fun things tomorrow, and I can't wait to spend these days with you together because I will not be leaving my bed on Sunday, and I will not be getting home till Sunday morning. I put fresh sheets on last night, guys, and I used this new fabric conditioner, and I just have to tell you all about it because it will change your life. Honestly, if there's one thing you're gonna take away from this video, make it this: Comfort Strawberry and Lily fabric conditioner with some of these Lenore Ruby Jasmine scent boosters. Cool, blimey, Riley. Anyone else's dad say that? Because I feel like I say it and my friends are like, what the fuck? Sorry, I'm late.
She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn, I still feel poor. Sushi on my dinner plate, eating creme brulee, icing on that chocolate cake. That sound like the perfect day.
Who's running late? Guess who's running late? Again, guess who hardly vlogged any of their day? You're right, you're correct. Sorry guys, I literally hardly filmed anything today, but to be honest, I was just having a really nice time catching up with my mum, seeing her, walking around. A lot of the shops we were going into, I wasn't really too sure whether you were allowed to film in them, so I was a little bit scared. Especially as I've literally got like anal beads on the bottom of my camera, so they're not actual, obviously they're not anal beads, but everyone knows these tripods looks like anal beads. Anyway, enough about anal beads. I thought I'd show you guys what I'm wearing tonight. So I've just got this little, sorry, this lighting is definitely really awful, from Urban Outfitters, and then I've got some like pink really sparkly heels to match it. If I haven't said, I'm going for dinner with my family. We're going to Sushi Samba, all 4 of us, and it's gonna be super lovely. And then I'm finally going to wear my new coat out. I bought this coat, I can't remember the name of the place, but I'll leave it on screen. I got it at like a Depop, but pop-up shop in-person thing in Shoreditch recently. Oopsie daisy. In Shoreditch recently, and I think it's so cute. I love the way it fits, like it's fun. And then I'm gonna wear my Versace bag, which we haven't seen her in a while, but I just think like the colourfulness, I mean, it literally will probably clashes horrendously, but girl, I thought this dinner was at 8:30, it's not, it's at 8. Not me being late to my own birthday dinner.
She gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, damn, I still feel poor.
Mum duties. If you ever come to Sushi Samba, you have to get a light cooler.
That sound like the perfect day. You my little Sailor Moon, come and visit me. Come and kick it at the crib, or you can keep on.
So basically, if you didn't know, my dad takes Japanese lessons, and obviously like you're doing well and stuff, and he has a little tutor that he has like Zoom lessons with. My dad's sending his Japanese tutor an email, and what was it you said in the email you sent to her?
I do the writing in Japanese, I'm learning. Sometimes you get it wrong, and instead of saying I'm enjoying, I love Japanese, the language, and I'm studying hard, I wrote, I hate Japan, and I'm in the toilet.
My sister's is giving me my birthday present. Tell me your sister's an art student without actually telling me she's an art student. Ooh, oh, Anna! Oh my God! No, so basically for my last birthday, my sister gave me this beautiful painting, which I'm sure you've all seen in the back of my videos. It's hanging loud and proud. Oh, is it that? I have a lot of love for a music artist called Blade, and the actual big painting I got last year from her was from a Blade music video.
That's wicked, Anna.
Because I said, I was like, you were like, what do you want? I was like, just a painting piece. Painting. So beautiful.
Into the money, but
I got a cake.
you seeing all these hundreds, yeah. You my little Sailor Moon, come and visit me.
I'm not having that bit. There are so many microbes under those nails. I can't believe she's putting them in her mouth.
Come and kick it at the crib, but you can keep on dissing me. I don't really care, cause I'm getting to the money, but don't you come back crawling when you seeing all these hundreds, yeah. She gon' pop it open, she gon' make it pour. Even though I drive a foreign, then
Gorgeous cows, 21 today. I haven't put any underwear on. How have I got to do that? Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all having an incredible morning. It is February the 5th, and today I am officially 21. If you didn't know, I'm 21 this year. I am turning 21. 21! For their 21st birthday, to be precise.
21.
Birthday celebrations. I obviously will have seen me celebrating with my parents last night. I'm literally just getting ready to go out and meet them for a coffee. Look, okay, I had extravagant outfit plans today. I had a cute little dress, my sweet little Gucci tights, my lovely little black fluffy Afghan coat. Matte Tets would cut glass. It is so bloody cold outside, as well as the fact when I wear a dress it makes me look shorter, so I always have to wear some sort of heeled something with it. And my foot, I've woken up this morning with my foot in so much pain, so I need to be wearing trainers all day. And look, any excuse to wear a tracksuit again. Really pulling through with the birthday outfit, what can I say? But I am going out tonight, and I actually want to buy a dress, not only for the Brits today. That's something I really need to like get moving along, because it is on Tuesday and I've got absolutely nothing. I also want to get a dress for my birthday dinner tonight and my birthday plans. Still not entirely sure what I'm going to be doing. I know I've got a dinner booked with just a few of my girlfriends at Rocker, and then I'm going out to see Lewis this afternoon. He's going to hopefully come along to dinner, but there are already some, like, one of our mutual friends basically is having like a big birthday party, but it's my 21st and like I'd already booked this dinner, so I don't need to tell you guys this. I'm going to pop some socks on. This was the Blade painting I was referring to in my vlog earlier, by the way, my sister got me. Can't wait for a day of fun-filled birthday girl behaviour.
Good morning. How are we feeling?
Get it now.
Oh my gosh, there's for me. Oh, it's really awkward if there's someone else's. So our lovely little Floss, happy 21st birthday, beautiful, with so much love from Mum and Dad. Can't believe that you are 21. Happy birthday, beautiful girl. We love you to the moon back.
You're still 8 years old to me though.
I still feel 8 years old.
Oh my god. Wow.
Isn't it pretty incredible?
It's really, but it's funky, Chanel funky.
I was like, I need to take a photo. It's on my phone, isn't it? So take a picture on your phone. Subtle birthday sleigh.
Nice. What time are you meeting Louis Lou?
It's at around 12:30.
Very you.
Isn't it? So I love black jewellery. I've got like black on my necklace that I wear every day. I just think I'm ready for a baby now.
Yes,
like,
I'm
done.
on
done.
board.
I'm done messing around.
To
like,
be honest,
I want kids.
I'm on board with that.
No
I
husband, just
very,
my own kids.
and dogs.
I'm
Yeah,
very ready
kids.
to be grounded. Very ready.
I'm ready to be a mother. I'm in my motherhood era till I get bored of it.
Yeah.
Until I get bored of the idea.
This is your main present.
Right.
Okay, that's just little trinkets. Happy birthday, Florence.
Thank you. Lovely wrapping paper.
Isn't it?
Because I thought that Pablo needed a friend.
Guys. Thank you.
I love you.
I didn't cry in bloody Chanel yesterday.
Yeah.
All this cucumber in there.
Dad strikes again. You take her out for Chanel, I get her a French Bulldog plushie.
Thank you, guys.
Multiple thousands, $11.99.
Thank you. I'm Selfridges trying on some birthday shoes with Lou Dog. What do you think of my outfit, guys? Little heels. Slay. Yes.
I love the card. Giving you glam tatty lashes. They sent it to me in like 2018 and I've just kept on to some.
I love it.
Serving looks.
I'm so ready. Dear Flossie's. Happy birthday to the Chloe to my Beth. Love you so pretty much. Turning crazy. From beautiful.
Do you like the gift bag? It's from Zap.
It's from Zap. Oh my god, what is this? I'm so excited. I was saying Versace, so it's like. Oh my god, Lewis! They're the ones from my flannels deal. Thank you so much. Oh my god, because I really wanted these. Guys, we did a brand deal with flannels and we got to like pick out loads of cool clothes, but we weren't actually allowed to.
We all
keep
thought we
them.
were gonna
We all thought we took this deal because we were like, oh my god, yeah. This is a pair of Versace sunglasses. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Thank you.
I couldn't remember if you kept them in the end or not. Yes. Oh my god, they're mega.
Your birthday sleigh.
They're like the Dior ones without being the Dior ones. I think they're cool and not being Dior.
I literally like Versace really is one of my favourite designers, especially for accessories. I was gonna buy a Versace bracelet and necklace yesterday. This is one of the dresses that I've tried on. Well, it's not a dress, it's like a two-piece. It's got a skirt and a top. I need the skirt like altering, not the sock. I really enjoy this one. I think it's really fun. It's actually this skirt, I'm pretty sure this bit's supposed to be worn towards the front, but I quite like having it to the side. I think I'd maybe want it like a little bit more, you know? I don't know, she's definitely a contender. I mean, the thought was there with this dress, but the execution was not. I did not realise it was like this weird kind of one sleeve moment. I thought it could be like a fun, what time era even is this? I just look like a sweet and it's just so unflattering. It's not for me. And I also, my boob is about to fall out at any moment. Serving! Strictly Come Dancing. I'm not too sure how I feel about that. It is like cute and whatever, it just doesn't fit. Well, it doesn't fit, like I couldn't get the zip up my boobs. So I don't even have big boobs, but like this ain't accommodating the girls. It's just not the most flattering, I don't think. I think I need to be a bit taller. See, this is the thing, I'm a short gal. I'm stood on a podium, like in socks. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Hey girly queen. It's the night of my birthday celebrations. As you can see, I'm like all dressed up, ready to go out. I've actually got one of my birthday presents on, which I won't try not to show you too much. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna film what I got for my birthday just for like tradition's sake, although I didn't do one last year. I'll show you my outfit, but of course, as per usual, I'm running late. I had the most incredible nap when I got home. I actually slept quite badly last night. I only got about 5 hours of sleep, and I'm pretty sure it'll be a heavy old night tonight. I haven't even done my lips yet, but I also did something a little different with my eyes tonight. This is what I'm wearing. This dress is from Urban Outfitters, but I've actually got a corset over the top because it's not too booby safe and I don't really want to be popping out. And then I put a Chanel hair ribbon in and that's me ready to go. I feel like this is such a Flossie outfit. I actually think this corset looks better with the dress than like the dress looks on its own. I'm gonna get on my way and hop into an Uber. But just before I go, I want to give a shout out to these drinks. Obviously, this is not sponsored, but oh my god, if they ever did want to sponsor me, hello Blue. These are my new favorite seltzers. They're called Deserved seltzers and they're honestly so delicious. My favorite is the raspberry. So good, get on it. Obviously, if you're of age. Let's go, ladies. I'm out for my birthday dinner. This is one of my best friends, Salome. My best friend's Margot. Salome so kindly brought me a present in a restaurant called, it's Roca, not Broca. No, it's so good. I know, I'm act this out for us. Oh, the sausage roll! Oh, baby cry! Don't baby cry. Oh my god, wait. Oh my gosh, you really should not have. Is it a voucher? So much. Maybe we go together. We go together. Yeah, we don't have to do it. No, Kitty, don't be silly. Thank you so much. I've been so spoiled. Ooh, that's really nice. Slurp, slurp, slurp,
The California Maki, the salmon and avocado, and the spicy tuna, all gluten free. I'll get you the gluten free.
Amazing, thank you. Hello. 3, 2, 1. This is a liter. Half.
Ooh, yeah.
On the block.